So in general, this market, the summer 2024 market, we saw a little bit of lull on the market in the sense that the houses are staying on the market for a little bit longer than what we are used to, especially if you compare it with the summer 2023. That was a very robust market. Market was, whether you're talking about condo, townhome, or a single family homes, market was very robust. Things were coming and going as fast. We didn't really see the increase of inventory comparing to the last year. But I think the difference is, I think people are seeing more houses on the market now. So they're thinking that, more homes are coming on the market. That is not necessarily true. What's happening, since the houses are staying on the market for a longer time, and then the normal amount of houses are coming on the market, every week, one or two. Since the inventory is staying longer, it's kind of, it seems like the houses are staying on the market. But this year, the difference we saw that at the end of May, beginning of June, which is not really normal, which we didn't see the previous market. It's this year seems like it happened sooner than we expected. It could be also that after the COVID, people are getting used to going out, going for vacation. It might be this is the first year that people felt much more comfortable to just take off. Especially for condo market, townhome market, these are first-time home buyers. The interest rate is high. And if you look at the rental market versus buying market, you're getting a better rent comparing to the mortgage. So all of those, I think, accumulation of all of those. And so condos have really gone down in the sense that we are not seeing the prices holding up in most cases. I'm not going to generalize it because there is always exception to the rule. There are always some location that is more desirable, home that is more desirable. How you price it is also taken into account too. So all of those taken into account. However, just looking at the bigger picture of the condo market, we saw recently, again, in the summer, I would say again, probably May onward, we saw that the condo market is not appreciating as fast. In fact, it's stable, in some cases even has gone down. And that's kind of usual when the market, is not as robust and is doing its tweaking. So the townhome is still selling. Townhomes are not as affected as condos. They're still going within a week to 2 weeks, maybe 20 days, but most cases they're still selling. Single family homes, in general, I would say is still a good market. In general, we are looking at anywhere from 7 to 14 days. Things are moving. We are looking at, good amount over the asking. There is a big, huge, I think, expectation and hope that the interest rate is going to go down next month, September. If that really happens, where the interest rate goes down, I believe you're going to see activity goes up. It's going to bring up their buying power. If the interest rate stays the same, I think we're going to see the same market. You're not going to see a huge dip market either. What's going to happen, market will probably stabilize, where you can really negotiate for the buyer, for the seller, and it really becomes a win-win market. Definitely buyers buy it. If you're ready to buy it. Don't forget that you can refi it, right? If the interest rate goes down, you can refi it. Don't wait for the competition. Then you're going to get less for more. For the sellers, it depends on where you are. when did you buy the house? What is the timing for you? What is your goal? So did you buy the house in the last 5 years? Then you need to take a look at it and see what your equity is. What is your goal? Why are you selling the house? Are you selling to buy a bigger house? Are you selling to move out of the area? So that's a little bit more complicated. Depends on the seller portfolio and what their goals are. In that case, I would say you are winning no matter what. You have good equity on your house. Go ahead and sell it. You're making it anyway. You're going to make the money. My concentration could be a little bit more in San Mateo, Foster City area. So I was looking at some data and comparing the data from just over the years and now. It seems like, there is a dip up, dip down, month to month, but it really looks like we're kind of very stable. And again, as I tell my clients, if you're going to buy a house, whether you buy a condo or a townhome or a single family home, really doesn't matter, is you're not buying something to make money. You're buying it because this is your home, that you're going to be happy that I have a home. I love where I live. I love the neighborhood. Eventually, you will make money. That's just what happens with our real estate in the Bay Area. But you cannot hold it for the short term. If you are serious and if you find something, go for it, because you have much more advantage right now than you're going to have if the interest rate really goes down. And for the sellers, what I'm going to say is that yes, sellers do not like to put the house on the market during the winter. It doesn't look good, it's raining. But guess what happens? You have less competition. Serious buyers walk into your open houses, right? And you get strong, good offers.